Everyone gather round. It's time to make our very first wish.
Yeah, I do. I don't. Who's filling in now that we're both gone?
Royal Revelers, welcome one and all. I am Lord Leopold, one of your fairy tale players and keepers of Once Upon a Time here in the Grand Hall. Our wishing star is powered by those magical wands you all have in your hand. So let's raise them up. There we are. Now when all these hands and all these hearts come together to make our very first wish, that's when enchantment really begins. So on the count of 3, let's wish for enchantment and adventure and call out together, wishes do come true. Ready? 1, 2, 3, wishes do come true! It worked! It worked like a charm! Or like a wish. A Disney wish. Oh, and it looks like we're joined by Princess Tiana. Hello up there. Well, I don't mean to keep you all. You may go along your way. But don't forget to come back and play. For there's Grand Hall enchantments every day.
Woo!
Thank you all for joining us here at the Grand Hall. We ask that you please check in with your assembly stations at this time. Enjoy your day and a beautiful Disney wish. Please welcome back to the Times family. Disney wish, please welcome aboard the Chu family. Disney wish, please welcome back to the Milford family. Disney wish, please welcome aboard the Lawrence family.